Lentil Navy Quinoa Wraps. What's up, everyone? It's yours truly with Lifestyle Healthy Living. This quick healthy meal is so delicious. I'm using some lentils and navy beans from meal prep 2 days ago. When I meal prep, I always try to make enough food to last 3 to 4 days. I start by preparing my veggies. Here I have some grape tomatoes, onion, cucumber, green pepper, avocado, and organic collard leaves for wraps. I warm up my beans and add my beans to the collard wrap. Then I start adding my veggies and quinoa to the collard wrap. Anyone can make this delicious meal. I don't add extra seasoning because when I prepare my beans, they are already seasoned well. For the recipes on how I prepare my beans, please visit my website and pick up a copy of my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, available in ebook and paperback. My book has many healthy recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Quick note, I'm not much for sauces and dressings, but I know many people are. Therefore, please feel free to add your healthy sauce or dressing to your meals. My goal is to create delicious recipes, but also you can make them your own. Just keep it healthy. That's it. Please enjoy Lifestyle Healthy Living, LHLclub.com.